I hope you enjoy your vacation.
This is complete item.
Let me arrange for my.
Don't move.
Stay where you are. Don't block anybody. Give way, please. Please give way. Give way. Please give way. Don't obstruct. Sit down. It's okay.
Please, let's come back. Let's come back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Please. Please go back. Let's all go back. Hello. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's all go back. Let's go back. Let's move to the please, let's go back. Debbie, my uncle.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to appreciate your presence, and we want to thank you for being with us through the day. Fortunately for us, we've been able to secure bail for Chairman Wontumi and his company and the other accused person. They have been admitted to bail on various sums and justification. We are working on the executing the bail conditions. We are currently working with the registrar of the court. Unfortunately, at this time, we are not able to secure the release of the accused persons for reason that the police will have to go and inspect their houses, the sureties, the houses of the sureties, and come back and give a report before the registrar could execute the bail bonds. So for now, bail granted in both cases. The one I have to explain is that there is one case pending before Court 4, Criminal Court 4, and another pending before Criminal Court 1. We secured the bail and its associated conditions in the morning, only be slapped with another case that we needed to go to court 1 to prosecute it. So the charge sheet as given to us was around 2 o'clock. So the court has just finished with the second one and also granted bail. Meeting the bail conditions at this present time will be difficult, although we have the sureties and they have also brought their documents. We hope that tomorrow we will be able to finish and then secure the release of the accused persons. We thank you very much for your time, and we hope that everything will be fine tomorrow.
So what do you make of the bail condition, particularly the first, the one with the conflict?
It is a general situation that we have to address as a country. You see, the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 96(4), says that bail should not be used as punishment on the accused persons. We did that articulation in court. The court took into consideration that admonition of the system. But because the precedent doesn't favor otherwise of treating accused persons fairly and without consideration of what they have alleged to have committed, and also making it difficult for them to be able to discharge their responsibility to secure the bail. It's a national issue that we need to discuss and accept. It's becoming too many that accused persons are being subjected to a difficulty of finding value for properties that will secure their bail. It is a national issue that we need to discuss. I'm not sure that there is anything untoward, but there is a process that we need to affect and make sure that it serves the purpose for which the law was made. And in any case, as I said in court, the Attorney General is also the Minister of Justice. So he should be in a position to protect the civil and liberties and rights of accused persons, because the position of the law is that accused person is deemed to be innocent until otherwise proven, and therefore we have to also protect their human rights even when they are labeled as accused persons until they are pronounced guilty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
When the children say, and they say, I lawyer Kaino, Chema Wontumi, and any other accused persons, and the mobile court, Quadra, the Bomono, lawyers no, a pray, say, court no grant or more bail, court no egitum, our granted bail, at the amount. Ye ye gusua, ye shall be no one sense, and almost Sunday another charge assigned by. And then was say a sign called court for fraud. And sa you free sa court na you sign call court 1 say fee and a year court 1 so the court 1 so judge no a granted bail at the accused persons. Now where's Abria Eddie say you bet to me a year bail no ho enkita ho die nyina. And then who be here say was signed the one call a police for a swear. You go so a ye 200 more ye di ye so chna. You bet me a wee bibia na ye you more a free police for no answer. Until na dey see and no.
Yeah, there is a sureties
no, yeah, by you beba beto bail conditions.
Omo documents are they be secure bail nyina ba they dey ma registrar oye ho ti set bia o kina nyame yadoma registrar ewie verification ni ade no na fi ehia se e ma bail no be fi.
Please, your name.